Are you still wasting hours building marketing workflows manually? Imagine if your marketing didn't just automate, it thought for itself. Traditional automation requires you to build every single step, but autonomous marketing, you set the goal and the AI handles the execution. Today, we're diving into the future of growth, autonomous marketing with ActiveCampaign. Trust me, this is a game changer.
Welcome back to my channel. We help you build smarter income streams and win financially. I'm David, and we're going deep today.
This shift is trending for a reason. It's solving the absolute biggest hurdle in digital marketing today, and that is scale. Pure and simple. ActiveCampaign has evolved. It's no longer just an ESP, it's an autonomous powerhouse. Let's break down how it works. Autonomous marketing uses AI agents that imagine your strategy, activate the campaigns, and validate the results automatically. Instead of dragging and dropping boxes, you describe your goals in plain language. The AI does the heavy lifting. First up, the AI Campaign Builder. This isn't just a template, it's a full-scale campaign engine. From a single prompt, you can generate complete campaigns. It understands your intent and crafts the assets for you. This saves you days of creative work, allowing you to focus on high-level strategy rather than execution details. Imagine launching a seasonal promo in minutes, not weeks. That's the power of the AI Campaign Builder.
Next on my list is the AI Automation Builder. This is where the plain language magic really happens.
You describe your ideal workflow, like send a follow-up if they don't click, and the AI builds the automation instantly. It eliminates the technical barrier. If you can speak it, ActiveCampaign can build it. No more logic errors, zero technical friction, just pure autonomous execution that scales your business while you sleep.
But how do you ensure they actually see your message? That's where predictive sending comes in.
The AI analyzes every single contact to determine the exact moment they are most likely to open your email. It's individual level optimization. You aren't just blasting a list, you're reaching people when they're ready to engage. Higher open rates, better conversions, and zero guesswork. It's like having a personal assistant for every lead. If this is already helping you, make sure you like this video. It helps more people discover our content. Now, let's keep going. Segmentation is the key to ROI, and ActiveCampaign now does it automatically with suggested segments. The AI surfaces high-impact audiences you might have missed. It identifies who's ready to buy and who needs a nudge. It finds the hidden gold in your database, ensuring your message always hits the right desk at the right time. And for the creators, the AI Brand Kit. This is a massive time saver for keeping your branding consistent. Just import your brand identity from your URL in seconds. It pulls your colors, fonts, and logos automatically. Every campaign you build will feel like you, without you having to manually upload assets every single time. Finally, let's talk about business goals. This is the strategic brain of the autonomous engine. You set your objectives, and the AI provides recommendations tailored specifically to what you want to achieve. It's like having a CMO in your pocket, constantly suggesting the best path to hit your revenue targets. The real benefit here? It's time. How much more could you do if your marketing ran itself? Autonomous marketing gives you the freedom to work on the business, not just in it. That's true leverage. And don't just take my word for it. ActiveCampaign is one of the highest rated platforms on G2 and Trustpilot. Thousands of businesses rely on this every day to drive millions in revenue. The results are undeniable. It's consistently praised for its ease of use and the sheer power of its AI-driven features. It's a top-tier choice. When you choose ActiveCampaign, you're joining a community of high-growth entrepreneurs who value efficiency. So, we've covered the AI Campaign Builder, the Automation Builder, and the Intelligent Predictive Sending. Plus, the brand kit, suggested segments, and those crucial business goals that tie it all together.
The shift from manual to autonomous isn't coming, it's already here. An ActiveCampaign is leading the charge.
If you're ready to let AI handle your marketing execution, I've got something special for you. Check the link in the description. By using the link below, you can get access to exclusive bonuses and trials that aren't available anywhere else. It's the best way to support this channel while getting the absolute best tools for your own growth. Don't let your competitors get the autonomous advantage before you do. Click that link and start your journey today. Remember, while others are just surviving, you're building your future. That's the mindset. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Keep building smarter, live better. I'll see you soon. Cheers to your success and business growth.